neck. Good old Fred. Here we go. Give him a bit of a funny ear, just about like that. And then we can draw his hair. He's got a mop on his head, just like this. Comes around like that. Like that. All zigzaggy like. Bring it on down like that. Right about there like that. Yeah. And then like that. Finish it all together. Perfect. Now we can bring his face down like this. And Fred's got a big old nose right about there like that. Looking good, everybody. Now we can draw his eyes in. One. And the second one right here like that. And like that. And let's have him looking at us. We'll bring his eyes like this and like that. That's fun. Don't forget his eyebrows. Just like that. Fred's got a bag under his eye. That's okay. He works hard. Alright, now Fred's got a funny face. His eye cheek comes all the way out like that. There we go. And we're gonna draw a straight line right about there. And then we're gonna come all the way back up like that. This is looking nice. And he's got a funny beard that goes like this. And then we're gonna draw his lip down like that. Give him a big old smile. A little cheeky there. Here we go, like that. And that. There's his tongue. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do is give him a tie. This is his collar. Right here. One there. And there's the tie. Right about there. Bring it on down like this. Perfect. Looking very nice so far. Now Fred's just got a funny old body like this, doesn't he? Just like that. And we can do the same over here like that. That's all you gotta do. And then we fit his arm in right about here like this. There's a shoulder bit. His arm comes down like this. Maybe bring his hand like this. Fred's got 3 fingers and a thumb. Guess they didn't have 4 or 5 fingers back in the day. There we go, just like this. And back up again. Let's give him his thumb. Perfect. Now we can draw the bottom of his skirt or his coat. Just like this. Looking good. Fred's got some patterns on his coat too. There. Another one there. And we can draw one on the back. This is looking nice, everybody. Now let's bring Fred's feet down like this. One here, another there. And Fred's got big old feet just like this. And that. Funny thing is he's only got 3 toes. So let's draw the first one here, right about there. Give it a little togetherness here. This makes it nice, just like a V, upside down V, looking good. Another toe here like this, and that. Give him a bit of a nail. Looking very nice. Continue the toe here, and that toe there. And then we'll do the same on this side. Very good. Then bring his line down here to separate the legs and a couple of ankles. Very nice. Let's get to the color. Thanks, Fred. Fred Flintstone has light skin color, a blue tie, orange coat, red tongue, light brown beard, black hair, eyes, mouth, and coat dots. Thanks, everyone.